across from the place. So they might have gone to something else, or they might have. No, they didn't push. I was wondering if they want to travel up here. The DR was up in the service. Yeah. There's only be like. They're outside. Yeah, just a road good. Yeah, but it's not. Let's go Birds! Here we go, Birdies! Nice, Adam. How you doing? So I didn't hurt you. And then he was there.
We chase everything! Yeah, Emily! Baby gap, baby gap. Nice, Megan, nice, Megan.
Take over here!
Not a fact, that's not a fact, doesn't affect. It's a... Wait, no, go back.
I know.
Yes, he's ready, good, ready. Zach. Nice pressure, Wells. Nice. It's your niche. Nice, man. That's give it. Good. Yeah, it's your niche. Yes!
Mindy, go! Push downfield, Mindy! Mindy, push downfield! Good to it, let's go!
Yeah, look there! Let's go right there! Chase!
These are always it's like
Yeah. The issue was that, like, I didn't see anyone else moving. And so I was like, I kind of got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. That's it. I hope there wasn't. They were. You guys know
I walked like I
Out of the way, Drew. With the wind, with the wind.
I think there's like a mix.
Yeah,
so like you're and you can take over Quad extension. Dominate on it, dominate on it.
No round, Sarah, no round! That's all right, we're good. That's you, Tyler!
Nice, Tyler! Nice, Tyler!
Around!
Seal, Emily! Seal, Emily!
Yeah, Molly, cover there. Inside. Around. Steal. Inside.
Big boy in the middle.
Play back.
Molly. Molly, you got plenty of time.
You got time. Good luck.
Tyler. Nice.
Yes. There's the flow. Let's play. Yes.
Hey, they're really tired. Keep working them. Be patient.
Oh, I love it. Yes!
Let's go! What a throw. D-line champion right there. Go Birds.
Atreides.
I was like, ooh, Tyler wants it. He's hunting. Molly, great.
That'd be nice. Sorry.
No, it's all good.
I appreciate you. Now we can run.
Go Birds.
Let's go. Yeah, Birds, let's get it. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Thumbs down! The Hufford and Highlands!
He said never down! Never down! Welcome to the down!
There we go! Thank you!
Hey, let's go! Smalley Sit down! Sit down!
We just scored a break!
Yeah, we are.
Hey, no.
Oh, yes, yes, breaks!
Yes, boy, Lord! Kevin?
Jackson last!
Actually, yes,
Hey, too far!
Watch out!
The other biggest tournament was aerospace.
I know.
They could care less. It was like pickleball, basketball.
I always think I have nothing to offer so far.
Hey, let's go, Bird.
Really awesome lines. Just a shit show lines. I think that it's just exactly what he said. It's just like mishmash. Oh, nice. Get there! Tight, Tyler! Nice! 10. You're good. You're good. 10 high. Good, Emily. Yes.
There we go!
Nice defense, Emily.
Keep it rolling!
Nice, Dad. Nice, Tyler. Keep working it. I love it. Great movement.
Clear, Chad, clear. Good.
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah, Tyler.
Yes. Good.
Let's go, Birds! Work it! Hey, watch deep! Let's go! Keep cooking on it, keep going on it. Yeah, Anna.
Yes!
Double disc. No round. The color. Just get it, Bird. Get it back. Up. Go, guys. Shot out. On move.
Strike! There we go! Where's the load? What is the load? Where's the load? Up! Shut your head! Up! Set!
Here I was thinking he was just sad. Yep.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. I'm kind of stupid.
How do you pretend to be hurt? How do you pretend to be hurt?
He's telling me to come on.
I like the game plan. You guys always
Jackson!
Strike!
Inside!
Strike! Strike! Strike!
He did it. He turned the wrong way.
I wasn't expecting it.
She has that throw. She's burnt me how many times doing that shit?
How do you not know? How do you not know?
How does Buster not know? She knows that too. We all know this.
Are you last?
Do you not remember this?
Inside! Thanks for the hand signal.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby!
I love when Brandon does his.
You know something? Strike! 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 Around! 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 Inside! Inside! Hold! 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 Inside, inside! Oh!
Great find, Whittle.
Around, around, around!
Yes, Kyle! Yes, Spoiler!
Other way, other way.
Lock together! Pop, pop, pop! Sorry I didn't run through that one, Buster. Just to mentalize the But the one I hit you in stride going up in a power, I was happy about that one.
That was a great fake. That was a great fake. That guy was
Yeah,
coming.
I know, I saw
That guy
it. I
was
was like,
coming.
alright, cool.
I was like,
and then you stopped and like, sweet.
That was so high. I did not think he is playing so high.
Well, I expected you to just go all the way through. I was like, I was going to fake you and then you would go all the way through and then I was going to do something else. But you stopped. It was like, also, like, made me feel like, oh!
So like the fake that you just lay down on the ground, I was like, I guess this is a backdoor strike.
Alright, let's go, Spurs!
Here we go.
Up! Inside, inside, up!
Nice, Luke.
Inside, up! Inside,
Very salty.
inside, inside, up! Yeah, you can have it over there.
Oh.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
That's it. Nice try.
No hospital I respect
Hey! Ted! Molly!
Molly!
Sarah!
Sarah!
Riddle!
Riddle!
Ted!
Ted!
Kyle!
Kyle! Hey, tough D, tough D.
Good job, good job, good job. Hey, that's
There we go, there we go, there we go. It's okay. Heads up, team. Heads up, heads up. Heads up, heads up.
I'm good.
Lackluster. You're disgusting.
because I guarantee you they've never cleaned them.
Eat that!
Oh,
Yes! There you go, Molly.
Go through. God. Oh, goodness. Let's take a breath first. Yeah, clear.
Anna, nothing from her. Nothing from her.
Yes, Anna. Yes, Anna. Yes, Anna. Good pressure, Anna.
Listen.
No
Good Jack. He's like, I am getting it again.
Hit it again.
It's not a match.
It's gonna keep hitting. He's bobbling all the way to the end zone.
Yes, Tom. Yes, Tom. Yes, Phil. Okay, Jack. Okay, Jack.
Let's go.
Sorry that you weren't prepared to stay back. I was here on the sideline, so Maddie.
I'm not on this line anyway. It's no line, guys. Come on. That was the last game
Right there. Right there, man. You were there, Ted. Yeah, you did. Heck, you had it.
Yeah, Niche, get in there, Niche! Niche, get ready, Niche! Niche! Yes, Jackson, it's you! Let's go, Riley! I got it!
We're playing defense.
Hey, let's go! Hey, Clay! Andrew, you're hot!
You're good, Clay. You're good,
It's a
Clay.
big tire for them!
Stay with him, Clay. Stay with him, Clay.
Riley! Jackson! You're good, Riley! You're good! Riley, you're last! Riley! All right, you're good, Riley. You're gonna be last back, Riley. No contest!
Excuse me, sideline. There you go, Clay. Good shutdown, Clay. Good shutdown, Clay.
Hey! Good, Emily. You're good.
That was us calling Nick Lau. Nick Lau on the field. Up!
Inside.
Let's go, Riley! Go, man. Go, man.
Yeah, man.
No big.
You're good. Time. See Jackson. 3. Nice time, Emily, time. Niche, you gotta be right there. Don't post. Just stay there. Stay there. Right on her hip. Chili, Chili.
Closer.
Same. Who wants the cone?
Good effort, Clay. Good effort, Clay. Oh, he's such a handsome dude.
Good, Nate.
Hey, how are you?
Back up.
Go Birds! Come on! So upset. Stop together! I'm gonna be real, I don't know. I mean,
Great adjustment on defense, yeah. Way to take
Wait, Zach.
That's my bad.
Keep your head up.
What did I say? I was also like head down, not even looking at you. I'm sorry.
I find that hard to believe. So they were like, fine. That's funny.
Let's go, Jack!
There's a lot. I see. This what's their yeah, right. Hey, great ball! This is so funny. Which is like the big music. Yeah. They have the big stage. I was walking through like, wait, I've been here. I've been on drugs here. I'm like, wait a second. Yeah, I'm going just for one day this year, but not a friend of mine that lives in Omaha, Nebraska. She's had a baby, and she's committed to bringing the baby to the festival. So no drugs. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to go this year, but then when she was like, I'm going to come and I'm going to bring the baby, we should all go for it. Good. I mean, it was fun a few years ago, but I like it. Yeah. It will end. But like the first year I went, it was before I went, it was and it was like I had a place to sleep. Yeah, it's sweet.
Let's go, spoiler. Let's go. Come on.
And every year I go, that was it. Like I'm like that was, you know what I mean? I'm like last year was the best season I've ever been. So we're like, let's go, whatever. And then at the end of the week I was like, never again, you know?
Hey, we went up 4-3.
Right.
Easy after that.
Yeah.
down and give it to us? No, we have to take the rest of the game. We got to play all 15 points.
You know, I've heard people enjoy
All right, look at this. Break,
because
break,
there's so many like vendors that
Back on
you can
serve.
like basically volunteer to like work, and then you get to enjoy some of it. But, whatever. You're back here. Like, oh wait, really? From where? So you, yeah.
Your legs work. You can screw with us.
Really saying the web is on extreme.
Yeah. Love Scotland. You're just floating. I love it. You better sell it. Wherever you want it. Oh, really? Oh, what? Period. You like the school there, or you just like London?
Hey! Hey! Emily! Cat!
That was the first European school I ever went to when I was like 19. And I haven't been back. I mean, I had a good time, but like, I haven't been back. Right. Oh, period. I see. Oh, I see. Okay, that adds up.
You guys mind if we take the next board break?
When would you?
I know. Well, let's negotiate. So you guys, so we have to do 3 points, and then we do the break.
Right.
Yeah, let's kind of repeat that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sure. Okay. Oh, so you've already gotten in. Oh my! When do you have to decide by? Like today?
Okay, I don't think I get it because like he was still.
You're gonna go,
He was
right?
trailing me, but when I went to reach out here, Nice ball.
Can you call Fatigue to?
Right, I guess that's the point I felt like I was reached out to kind but I mean, I don't feel that's why I felt it was great. So that's why. But I appreciate it.
I'm avoiding going back.
No, I like the other way.
I mean, but I feel like like that. Like I have a friend that, well, his girlfriend is like Irish, but she lived here for a long time, and they met here. And then when Trump got elected, she was like, "Jesus, I'm going back to Ireland." She's like, "I'm gonna write this out in Ireland." And he decided, he was like, "Well, I want to go there," so he went to, he got into Ireland just to like be on her. He's like, "I don't really care about." Yeah, exactly. Right. Right.
Alan thought about this. So, Tony, that point was half cap? So it should be 7. Yeah, just a 7. What happened during the transition?
Whether that was an hour, doesn't have a whether we have it at 7 or 8.
How exciting though.
Nothing. I don't have any flowers. He's got the tile.
Bullshit! Bull fucking shit! No, I know her for like 18 years. Whatever! I'm with you, I'm old. For sure, I haven't been like 28.
It felt like for like
If it was like an Android tablet.
like I almost
Less so.
enough, you know? My friends were like,
Hey Tony, it was a flip ball.
you know, like maybe
And what'd you have?
like
It's a flip ball.
you know,
Yeah, if it was a backhand pull, it would have gone.
but it's been almost a year, so now I'm like, okay.
Yes, Dad!
See, I'm not quite as much of a floater as you are.
Around!
It's a lifestyle.
Around! Around! Yes!
I wonder why.
Too deep, Steph! Too deep! Steph, too deep! Tyler, too deep! Tony, you just keep saying it out loud. I think it, but don't say it. You say it.
Steph, go! Steph, go!
Yes! That's Tyler. That's Tyler. Yes, take it! Push! Push! That's okay, Pleady. Hey, give sideline! Give sideline! Word!
Let's go, Birds!
You hurt? Hey, give sideline!
Oh, you know. Oh, no!
Sideline!
Master, give me
I
space.
like don't talk to your brother. I have no idea what's going on in his life. I'm like,
Oh, no.
okay, well that makes me feel better. So
I chose the line in the end zone, but I didn't.
Yeah, Sean.
Hey,
Hey, lay us under.
I mean, honestly, it's
Jelly.
Yeah, hey, Randy.
It's weird that I've been drinking. I wasn't going to. He said
Ari, stay close.
I thought it was one.
You're like, yeah, I haven't.
Let's go, go, Sean. Yeah, go, Brandon.
Yeah. I know I was down there a lot, probably for games that we went to, and I was like, it's like, Right, that's what I was going to say.
Get the break.
Well, that too, but I just meant we had to.
Attack. All right, we got a game. We're on serve.
You were rocked at the tee. That was ball.
They have no less
What am I at?
3 Ds.